Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude after pandemic, we have seen there is a continuous upside. Okay, and if you look at this particular upside, what we have seen that $130, it has already made this particular high. After that it has not touched this particular level, but it has touched the level of $123. After that there is a continuous fall. Okay, a swing has formed, that is where we have seen there is a continuous downside. Okay, now this pattern you have to understand that whenever it is hitting a previous high, we have seen a sharp fall is coming. Okay, and this sharp fall, a swing is formed, that is where it goes upside and makes a new high. Okay, now it is trading at a level of $72.05. Okay, and this $72.05, it is the level, this is the zone. Okay, so if this zone break out from this particular zone, that is where it goes upside, or if this zone moves further down, then it should go below a level of 67, then only we can see it can go further low. Otherwise it is moving in this zone. Okay, overall trend is downside. Okay, now it is moving in this zone. You can see the zone high is at a level of 83.5, or till the time it is not sustaining above a level of $85.5, we will not see it can go further upside. Okay, now it is, or if it is not going below a level of 63, we cannot see it can move further down. 63 is a support, a strong support. Okay, but otherwise what we can see that $67, this is the zone. Once it break this zone, 60 chances of touching 63 is on a higher side. Okay, you have to understand something, that you have to keep your SL. Okay, that is the important thing, or keep trailing your SL if you're in profit. Okay, that is the first thing. Suppose you're in profit, you can save your profit if you're trailing your SL. If you are keeping your normal SL, then it will save your capital. That is the important thing, because suppose if you are taking 5 trade also, and if you lose 2 trades, you can make your loss cover as well as your profit in the 3 trade. If you lose in 3 trade also, then the 2 trades you can recover that sum amount. So that is very important to save your capital, because if you are getting a good trade, then you should have capital, that is where you can trade. Otherwise you will lose your capital. Okay, so now it is trading at a level of, crude is trading at a level of $71.96. A swing is formed at this particular level, and it is continuously upside. Okay, and see, so before we move ahead and explain you how the crude can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full videos to understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that team. Okay, now look at this particular chart. Okay, after making at a support of 66.79, that it is continuously on upside. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, it can go towards a level of around $72.19. Okay, and suppose if the price move above that particular level, it can cross a level of around 72.34. 72.34 is already being a weak resistance, so chances of going further upside will be there. Then we can see a level of $72.80, and if the price move above that particular level, then we can see a level of $73.2. Okay, and that is level is already being tested here. Okay, now if the price sustain above that level, chances of going towards 73.84 is there, and once the price sustain above that level, chance of going towards $74.3 is there. Keep it in mind that once it sustain above $73.8, chance of going towards 74.3 is there. Okay, and if the price move above that particular level, chances of touching a level of 74.69 is there. This 74.69 once sustain, a probability of going towards further upside is there, because this is the level. This is the level. Once it move above this particular level, chance of going further upside will be there, and we can see it can go towards $76. And once the price sustain above that level, then we can see it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of $76.9. Keep it in mind that once it sustain above $76, then a probability of going further upside will be there, or till the time if it goes above a level of $74.8, then it can go further upside. Okay, keep it in mind what I have to tell you, that this is the zone where we have seen that since May of 2023 it is moving. So as soon as there will be a breakout, we can see it can go further upside. Okay, and $77 is a strong resistance, so once it sustain this level, it can go further upside. Okay, so chances of going further upside will be there. Okay, suppose if the price move above that particular level, it can go further upside, and a probability of touching 77.52 is there, and from there we can see a level of around $78.1. Okay, keep it in mind, once the price sustains of that particular level, it can cross that particular zone and can go towards a level of $79, and from there we can see it can cross a level of around $81. Okay, once the price sustains above $81, chance of going further high will be there. Okay, so you have to understand something, once started moving upside or goes upside, then probability of after crossing a level of 81, we can see a level of $83.5, and then further upside if the price sustain above this level. If the price move above a level of 81, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. Okay, because once it sustain above 77, chance of touching 83 is on a higher side, and from there it can touch a level of 85.5. once it sustain above 85.5, then we can see it can move further upside. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, what you can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can move further low towards a level of around $70.9. Okay, and if the price fall below $70.9, chances of going towards a level of 69.7 is there. If the price fall below 69.7, then we can see it can fall further down towards a level of around 68.5. Keep that in mind, that 68.5 is a strong resist support. Okay, so once the price move below that particular level, we can see it can go further low, because as I've already explained you that $68 is a resistance, which is a support, which is once break that particular support, chance of going further low will be there. So once it move below 68, chances of going towards a level of 66 will be there, and from there we can see a level of 66 point. After 66.4, we can see a level of 66 to a level of 65.34. If the price fall below that level, then we can see a level of $64.64 to a level of 63.34. Okay, and if the price fall below this level, then we can see it can move further down. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Keep it in mind that once the price fall below, started falling below 68, chance of touching a level of 63.34 is there, and from there we can see a level of $61. And if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can go further down. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,